First, go to Google Chrome and search for VistaCreate. Log into your account and then click on Start Designing. You can search any type of template. I am searching for animated logos. You can select any template you desire and start customizing it. For some of the templates you have to pay, but there is also another way by right-clicking it and saving it on your computer. After that, you can add it by clicking on Uploads and uploading it. That can help you not buying the Pro version. This can't be done in Canva. You can also trim the video if you like. To set it in the screen, right-click on it and then click Set as Background. You can add any type of photos you like by searching for it. By using the method I told you, you can also use the Pro pictures. You can also add videos. There is also an option for adding music to your template. There are a variety of music you can choose. There are many beautiful backgrounds for your template. You can also add text in different styles. Like you can add photos and videos into your text. For this, follow me. There are many templates in this app you can use. It's more good than Canva and can be used freely. But some of the options are not in free version, which are very nice and useful. If you face any problem regarding this app, you can ask in the comments section.